Hello everyone and welcome to this technical analysis video. Quickly guys, if you look into the 4-hour time frames or the 1-hour time frame, you will see that the gold is having a flag button and we have broken that level. That level has been broken on the 15 minutes time frame now and the 5 minutes and the 1 minute and so on. However, we are waiting a close on the 1-hour time frame. So we are waiting the price to close above this trend line. So this is a continuation button after breaking the reversal button, which is the double bottom here. So we have had a breakout in this area here, and we are continuing by flag button. So we are expecting to see the gold is moving up more to have the second continuation button and the third continuation button. So this is a good area to purchase a gold. And this is supported also by the fundamental data, which we have made video on it today. And if you can see here, unemployment rate, and this is what we were speaking about in our previous training video, which we have loaded today to the YouTube channel. This is now getting worse. It is worse than the expected, and this is what the Federal Reserve Bank they want to see. They want to see more people losing their job. And this is now will affect the gold and the price of the gold to go up. If you look also, we have spoken about the Canadian dollar as a country. We said that the Canadian dollar is affecting the price of the gold and affecting the price of the USD. And you can see the data around the Canadian dollar is positive and unemployment rate is good, is getting better than expected. And that is also will make the US dollar more weak. So now the anticipation on the interest rate, the Federal Reserve Bank, they might hike the rate, but they might hike it on lower basis, like 25 points. And this is what we have spoken about in the video when we have explained the interest rate and its effect. And now we are at the maximum level of the interest rate. We have had 4.75, and we are expecting by the end of this month to reach a 5% or 5.25%. So if we have additional weakness data around the CPI and around the unemployment, that is will push the gold up more, and that is will support the idea of having the continuation button on the monthly time frame, which is again it's a flag button. So we are expecting the gold, if the gold breaks the 1959.77, the gold will continue to go up more. So for this movement now, we can start purchase from those areas, and if the price goes down again, we can load more positions. So we are supporting the buy position. So that's it for the technical and the fundamental analysis for today. And hopefully, if there is any new thing coming, we're gonna go to share another video with you guys again, and we will keep you updated progressively. This is Ahmed was speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal channel. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you in next analysis video.